Hello and welcome. Kamusta kayong lahat dito mga Kapatid Star viewers? Ang reading na ito is a channeled message from this person. Okay. Kasi nakukuhanan ko yung energy na kahit this person is a chaser. Maghahabol at maghahabol siya. Maybe this person is your soulmate. No? It's a soul journey na maraming mga challenges sa inyong sitwasyon. But then again, this person will fight back no matter what. Ipaglalaban ka niya. Kahit maraming mang against sa kanya, para sa iyo, hindi pa rin siya titigil para suyuin ka, para lapitan ka, kausapin ka. Alright? So, alamin natin kung sino itong taong itong the person's into you. No? Talagang palaban. Alright? So, alamin natin kung sino itong taong ito. Itong palaban, sino siya? Spirit Guardian, sino itong taong palaban at kayang-kaya ipaglaban ng ating collective sa kanyang nararamdaman. Na hindi niya pagtataksilan ng ating mga collective. Sino itong taong hindi niya magawang pagtaksilan ng ating mga collective. Palaban. True love. This person's really love our collective. Sino siya? Psychic. This is about mararamdaman itong taong ito ay who is into you, no? What else pa? Working with the government. So, ang taong ito ay nagtatrabaho sa government. Capricorn. Ano pa? Sweet. Napaka-sweet ng taong ito. Around 50s. May edad na. Okay, maybe may age gap sa inyo dalawa. May pera. Okay. Housewife. Ang taong ito ay housewife or a single mom could be. Or this could be your current person, your current partner. Aries. Ito. Lalaki. Moody. Ang taong ito ay may pagka-moody. Dahil nga siguro sa kanyang edad, nagkakaedad na itong taong ito. Makapal ang kilay. May ang tawag ito, makapal ang kilay, no? Sundalo. Pakialamera. Nosy. Ang tawag ito yung pagka-nosy. Dark skin. Okay, so there's about your skin type, you and your person. Maybe you're dealing with a person na may pagka-dark skin. Alright, how about initials? Spirit Guardian, ano yung initials ng taong ito? Itong taong kayang ipaglaban and napaka palaban ng taong ito sa ating mga collective. True love ang nararamdaman ng taong ito. Sino siya? May letter B and Y. I'm getting like a close friend. Naging close friend itong taong ito. Sino pa itong taong ito? Spirit Guardian. We have here letter D, I. Siguro may pagka-LDR sa inyo. Ano pa? One last. Initials. True love from this person. O, L, and U. Okay. May pagka-leader type ang taong ito, This could be a boss person. Okay. High rank. Ano pa? So, let's find out more about this person na kaya ipaglaban ng ating mga collective. Guys, confirm ito. Meron ako nakuha kaninang sundalo. So, yes, this person is sundalo. Lumalaban, no? Kahit na balibaliktaran man ang buong mundo, magiging solid pa rin siya sa inyo. Magiging totoo pa rin siya sa inyo. Honest and loyalty, no? Sa'yo lang at wala ng iba. Okay. Ano pa, Spirit Angels? Itong taong ito ay mahal na mahal talagang ipaglaban niyang ating mga collective. Sino siya? Sino itong taong ito, Spirit Angels? Okay, law enforcement, like again, police, security, sundalo, judge. Okay. Siguro married. This could be maybe you're dealing with a Libra, explorer. Ang taong ito could be like a long distance. Maybe nasa ibang bansa ito. LDR, again, nasabi ko kanina, LDR, long distance, explorer, travel sa China. Maybe this person's very specific, no? Nasa China or Asia. Ang tawag ito, adventurer, or mahilig mag-hiking. Okay. I'm getting like romantic. And especially, meron tayo itong sweet. Ang tawag ito, napaka-romantic, ano? Pwedeng, yeah, this person show their love through travel, no? So siguro kaya kanyang tagpuin or may pagkikita sa inyo, and because this person's true love, no, or loyalty, napaka-loyal sa inyo at wala nang iba, and kaya niyang, kung sabihin natin na partner kayo, no, LDR, kung sabihin mo lang umuwi ka dito, kung ayaw mong umuwi, iiwan kita. Talagang gagawa at gagawa siya ng paraan para makasama ka at uwian ka. Like again, loyalty, dahil ayaw kanyang mawala sa buhay niya. But of course, guys, kung ito yung partner ninyo, no, LDR, may mga anak kayo, wag naman tayong maging selfish din, ano. Isipin natin ang ating pamilya. We just have to be more stick or just trust and believe in God. Huwag lang natin hayaan yung mga negative thoughts, mga selos-selos dyan, ilagay natin sa tamang paraan. Lalong-lalo na't nagtatrabaho mabuti ang ating partner or ang partner ninyo, at iwasan na masira ito. You just have to trust your person and believe that, their words. Paniwalaan natin ang kanilang mga pangako. Because I'm sure they are truthful to you. Judgment. Only the truth speak, para sa kanila, they are being honest. Totoo ang mga sinasabi nila sa inyo. So, wag lang tayo maging siloso. Lalong-lalo na sa mga LDR dyan. I'm sorry guys, sa mga natatrabaho dyan. Yes, naging truthful naman ang yung partner. And, kung maging selfish ka, paano naman kayo mabubuhay niyan, mga kapatid? No, kung maging selfish ka lang. Wag lang po tayong bitter, but then again, you just have to believe in their words because they are truthful to you. Tunay sila, loyalty, andyan sa inyo. Lalo-lalo naging pagiging moody nila, it's part of growth, ano, sa mga nagkakaroon ng edad, tumatanda na, like again, hindi dahil nagbabago sila or may pagbabago sa kanilang attitude, dahil na hindi kanya na mahal. No, it's not that. They still love you, they care about you, they are into you, they believe in God, they believe in soulmate. They are too honest for you. It's just that it's part of their growth, no? Nagbabago lamang sila dahil sa kanilang dahil siguro sa edad nila, no? Unexplainable. But know that you are they truly love you. Okay? Okay, ano pa? What else? The true feelings towards you. True feelings. Piruin mo, kapatid, ano? Kahit namang against ang mga tao sa kanila, they'll still want to fight for you. Okay? Loyalty is for you. Deserve mo yan. Spirit guardian angels, ano pa? About this person, na kaya paglaban ng ating mga, yes, twin flame. Off and on. On and off relationship. Yin and yang, balance, union, duality, coupling, complement each other. This person always compliment you. And you should compliment this person back. Like again, deserve naman din ng taong ito, ano, na iparamdam mo rin sa kanya ang pagmamahal dahil naging loyal naman din siya sa inyo. Okay, so yes, hindi naging, like again, it could be ex or siguro nagkaroon ng hiwalayan sa inyo, but this person might coming back because there is like a twin flames connection sa inyo. Hindi naging madali, but then this person's ready to get back or paglaban ka kahit anong mangyari. Okay, gulo, whatever it is, no? Babalik at babalik siya because of this twin flame situation. Girl with the snake, empath, narcissist, paradigm, being charmed of or used, enable boundaries. Maybe feeling mo, no, unbelievable. Maybe this is your feeling. Baka ginamit ka lang, like again, psychic. Use your intuition. Do you believe this person? Do you think this person telling you the truth? Ikaw lang nakakaalam. Follow your intuition. You could be born year of the snake. Maybe someone here is being sneaky. Maybe there's like a third party situation here. Siguro ikaw itong ka-third party, or maybe may ka-third party pa. But this person, even if you are in a relationship na, mga kapatid, ko ikaw itong na may karelasyon na, and then this person is itong taong iniisip mo, this could be the person in your mind, no? Na weird. Bakit napaka-sweet ng taong ito? Napaka-malambing, ano? And I don't know, something about na baka nadidevelop ka na, or somehow ay nauhulog yata ang loob mo sa kanya, but know that you are not available. So, it's okay, guys. It's okay na may mga taong nag-admire sa'yo. It's because this person's admiring you, truthful to you, ay okay na magkaroon ng third party, no? Or to be in that relationship. No. It's just that this person admiring you, yung iba dito. Alamin natin mga kapatid na, or alalahanin ninyo, lalong-lalo na't kung may anak ka na, you don't have to be with this person. That's good that this person sees you very attractive, ano? But again, iwasan magkamali tayo. Again, judgment. Lalong-lalo na't kung may mga anak ka na, iwasan po natin ang magkaroon ng pagkakamali. Alright, so maaga pa lang, if you can be able to cut off that situation or relationship with this person, then cut it off. Isipin mo na lang ang iyong pamilya, ang iyong mga anak. This is very specific. Even if this person is still loyal, that's okay. You can be loyal to everybody. Meron kasi itong alam mo na eh. Alam mo na ang taong ito is into you, even if you are in a relationship. But then again, isipin mo na lang ang iyong pamilya, ang iyong mga anak, bago masira ito before it's too late na magkaroon ng third party. Okay? Baka meron ito magbabalik. Sabihin natin na may karelasyon ka na, your ex now is coming back. Guys, believe in God, and always think ano ba talaga ang dapat gawin. Alam mo, you know yourself what's the truth about this situation. Family first before anything else. Yung mga twin flame kasi, mahirap eh. Kahit na past na, no? Sabihin natin, ex mo na yun, may soul connection kayo ng taong yun, nababalik bigla. It's too late na. You're decommitted with someone else. You need to I don't know, mag-end. Kung gusto mong bumalik sa past, you need to end the situation that you are in right now. Para walang sabit, walang gulo. You have to be real. Dapat ikaw din mismo, mga kapatid, ay maging totoo din sa nararamdaman ninyo. Pag-isipan mabuti before you commit this situation. Kasi meron din sa inyo, you will be finding out this more feelings about this person. I'm getting like bawal na pag-ibig. Malakas dito ang twin flame. Marriage. Committed na yung iba dito. Maybe from long distance, kaya ng taong itong mapuntahan ka, lapitan ka. This person wants to protect you, give what they have. Kaya niyang ibigay lahat-lahat kung ano makapagpapasaya sa inyo. It's okay kung single ka naman, why not, di ba? Take that opportunity, or that real love, true love, pure love. Pero kung committed ka naman sa iba, then kailangan mong i-let go yung isa before you take that new person. Okay? Para iwas ang gulo, para iwas itong trial. And there will be changes dito sa inyong dalawa about this person. siguro itong taong ito ay malaki ang pinagbago. You'll be surprised about this person. Yeah. So, I do hope na nakaresolve ka sa reading nito about this person, and let's find out about the situation you and this person. Alright, Spirit Guide Angels. Advice for the collective about this person. Retreat. Oh my God. Meron dito magkaroon ng happy endings. Yung iba sa inyo dito, this could be your current partner. Yes, you two are meant to disconnect the world muna. Yung iba, kailangan siguro ng oras, no? Para magkaroon siguro ng honeymoon. Baka nakulangan sa honeymoon, or like again, partner mo na ngayon. May mga hidwaan man, problema man, you need to believe in your with your partner na ikaw lang naman talaga at wala ng iba. Siguro kailangan nyo lang talaga na magkaroon ng date, no? Maglabas kayong dalawa, mag-date muna, disconnect muna sa mga, siguro sa mga bata, no? Dahil 24 hours andyan kayo nagbabantay ng mga bata, or iba dito, pagka siguro ex mo to, or katrabaho, or whoever this person is, kaya kanyang pakasalan, kaya kanyang panindigan, kahit na you against the world, or this person against everybody. I don't know, but this person wants to marry you. Gusto kanyang panindigan, ibigay ang lahat-lahat sa'yo, ready siya. And this person sees you to be their person. Forever. Lifetime person. Okay? So, hanggang dito na mga kapatid. And I do hope na nakasunod ka sa reading na ito. I love you guys. And please leave your comment below. What do you think about this reading? And I'll see you guys in my next reading. Bye and thank you.